Have you been trying to change your TikTok location, but every time you give it a try, TikTok shows you this? This is what happens every time you try to change your location. Keep this video to the end because the issue is fixed. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, the first thing you should do is to change the location in your phone. Change your IP address on your phone, and then to another country you wish to change to. And then after doing that, make sure that every time you want to log in your TikTok account, or every time you're going to open your TikTok app, you make sure that you connect a VPN to that location, and then come to your TikTok on your profile page and press up on the menu button. After doing that, what I've told you, press up on the menu button and then press on settings and privacy. Then scroll to the bottom and then press on report a problem. Now press on the searching space. Then search for change my TikTok location. Now make sure I search TikTok account location. TikTok will not bring you anything like account location. Make sure I press right here. And the moment you press there, TikTok will bring you this on the next page, and they will ask you right here, was your problem resolved? Make sure I press on no. And then press on need more help. Now come right here and type in hi TikTok team. And type in hi TikTok team, I'm unable to change my TikTok location, please help me, and then press on send. And then TikTok will send you this information that will help you change your account region. Make sure I do exactly what TikTok tells you right here. If it doesn't work, come again and send the same message to TikTok until when they help you change your account region. Make sure that you do exactly that. It will not work in the first day, maybe the second day, the first weeks, but at least in a month, you will be able to change your account region. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel.